Hello everyone, let's start our next class and we are going to learn about the few kanjis and then dictionary form of the verb with different uses. So let's do the kanji first. Kanji to run is hashirimasu, will be written as this. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke, first, second, third, fourth, first, second, third, fourth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So this is how we write hashirimasu. Hashirimasu. Another reading of hashirimasu is so, and this would mean to run. Okay, next is, let's use the kanji of hashirimasu in a sentence. I ran from home till school. Okay, I will be watashi wa. Watashi wa from home uchi kara school gakko made. Made is till. Watashi wa uchi kara gakko made I ran, and it will be hashirimashita. Okay, so past form of hashirimasu will be hashirimashita. Next kanji is tomarimasu. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke, fourth stroke. This is the kanji for tomarimasu. Another reading is she. This kanji means, tomarimasu means to stop. We can make a word which is teishi. Teishi also means stop, where she will be this tomarimasu. Okay, so this another readings like so and she, this will be used in a complex vocabulary when two or more kanjis are used. So to stop, if we say the train has stopped, train has stopped, how we'll say that? So the train in Japanese is called densha. Densha wa tomarimashita. Okay, so this tomarimashita means to stop. Okay, if I say I stopped there for, I halted there for a day, stopped in Shinjuku, okay, for a day, then I'll start with watashi wa Shinjuku. Shinjuku is a place name which is in Tokyo. Watashi wa Shinjuku ni ichi nichi tomarimashita. So here also, instead of writing hiragana, we can use the kanji okay. So ichi nichi tomarimashita. I stopped there for a day. Next is arukimasu. So first we'll write tomarimasu and then we'll add this portion and it will make arukimasu. This kanji is arukimasu. And another reading for this is po. So when we say sampo, which means walk, this po will be used. So arukimasu is to walk. If I say I go for a walk with my friend, or I walk in the evening, I walk in the park maybe with my friend. So it will be watashi wa tomodachi to koen ni arukimasu. If I want to say I walk for 2 hours with my friend, watashi wa tomodachi to 2 jikan arukimasu. So this is how we use the kanji of arukimasu. So instead of writing arukimasu, we can use the kanji here and we can write this arukimasu. Okay, so let's do the another kanji. The next kanji is tadashi. So first, second, third, fourth. This is the kanji of tadashi. E type adjective and also has the reading of sei. So tadashi is correct and sei again have the same meaning with as a complex verb, that is called jukugo. So if we want to say my answer is correct, okay, my answer is correct, then my will be watashi no answer will be kotae wa tadashi desu. Watashi no kotae wa tadashi desu. So this is how we can use the kanji of tadashi. Okay, so instead of writing hiragana, we can write this tadashi desu. Next kanji is hikari or hikarimasu. Stroke order is like this. This is the kanji of hikarimasu, or it means to twinkle. Or to shine. Let's write a sentence. So, stars are twinkling in the sky. So, stars in Japanese will be hoshi. Hoshi wa sora ni. Hikarimasu will change into hikatte imasu as a te form, and we can change the hiragana in the kanji, and it will be hikatte imasu. Stars are twinkling in the sky. So this far we'll do the kanji today, and let's start where we left in the last class. We were doing the dictionary form of the verb plus koto. So let's do it again. In the group 1 we have ikimasu. Group 2 we have tabemasu, and in group 3 of the verb we have shimasu. And to change these into dictionary form, the first is very simple. The group 3rd, shimasu will change into suru. No, you have to by heart it. For group 2nd we have rule. We just cut mas and add ru. So tabemasu dictionary form will be taberu. For group 1st, the rule is whatever is coming before the mas, in this case it is ki, that will change into u sound. For the 3rd group we have only 2 verbs, shimasu and kimasu. Shimasu will be suru and kimasu will change into kuru. These 2 verbs are fixed. In group 2nd there are many verbs. We just need to cut mas and add ru, and it will become the dictionary form. The next pattern we are going to learn is dictionary form of the verb plus koto ga dekimasu. So when I want, and this would mean can, to show the potential. This pattern is used. So when I say I can eat, I can drink, this koto ga dekimasu pattern will be used. So if I say I can come tomorrow, I can come tomorrow. So tomorrow will be ashita. Ashita watashi wa, come is here kimasu. So kuru koto ga dekimasu. Ashita watashi wa kuru koto ga dekimasu. I can come tomorrow. Next, if I want to say I can drink. So next let's learn about the first group verb, which is hanashimasu. So hanashimasu will change into hanasu koto. She will change into su. So if I say I can speak Japanese, or I can talk in Japanese, talk in Japanese, so it will be Watashi wa Nihongo de hanasu koto ga dekimasu. So, watashi wa Nihongo de hanasu koto ga dekimasu. It will be I can talk in Japanese. Next, this koto ga dekimasu is actually using with verb, making it a noun. So, the rule is noun ga dekimasu. Okay, since dekimasu itself is a verb, so we can say I can practice. I can practice daily. Okay, so daily will be mainichi. Mainichi renshu ga dekimasu. Or if we say you can copy it here. Suppose you want to say you can copy means Xerox, copy here. So here will be koko de copy ga dekimasu. Or you can pay it with, another example we say, you can pay with card. Card. So, card is katakana kado. Kado de harau koto ga dekimasu. Harau is coming from haraimasu, is to pay. So, it will change into harau koto ga dekimasu. You can also add 2 or more nouns using this pattern koto. So, when I say, suppose in the last class we learned to talk about hobby and you want to say, my hobby is watching movie and something else also, maybe taking pictures, okay, photography. So if you want to add these 2 hobbies, so you can say shumi wa, my hobby is watching movie, will be eiga, movie is eiga, o miru koto. Okay, instead of saying this, just put to, which would mean and. So to will be used to add 2 nouns. So miru koto is here a noun. Miru koto to taking pictures. Pictures will be shashin. Shashin o toru koto. To take picture is shashin o torimasu. So torimasu will change into toru koto desu. So watching movie and taking picture is my hobby. So this is how dictionary form of verb plus koto is being used. Next is, when you are talking about the potential, you can also say, for example, unten. Unten is driving. So when you say I can drive, you can say watashi wa unten ga dekimasu. Watashi wa unten ga dekimasu. It would mean I can drive. Okay, so all the nouns which takes shimas, we can just erase the shimas and add dekimasu. For example, we did unten, we also did it with renshu. We can use yoyaku. Yoyaku means to book something. To book ticket or hotel is yoyaku. Or just now we did kopi. So all these three can be used directly with ga dekimasu. And in this case, koto is not needed. So noun ga dekimasu, can, noun. So I can drive, I can book, I can practice, I can copy. So all these can be used with these nouns. Next is the pattern maini. So the pattern mai, or we can also use the kanji. This is mae, early or before. So there are many ways to use this. We can use with the dictionary form of the verb plus my ni, okay, before the verb. So if I want to say I brush before sleeping, okay, so watashi wa, so before sleeping, to sleep is nemasu. Nemasu when change into neru. This is nemasu. Neru mai ni. Watashi wa neru mai ni. Brush teeth. Brushing your teeth is called ha o migakimasu. So watashi wa neru mai ni ha o migakimasu. Next, or I read novel before sleeping. I read any book, okay, so book will be watashi wa neru mae ni hon o yomimasu. So neru mae ni, before sleeping. We can also use it with noun no mae ni. Like before eating anything, I wash my hand. Okay, before meal, I wash my hand. So before meal, meal is called shokuji. Any snacks or meal, you can say shokuji. Shokuji no mae ni te o araimasu. Shokuji no mae ni te o araimasu. Next is with time. Time again you can use mae ni. So if you want to say I came to Japan (5 years back), So 5 years is the time. Go nen mae ni Nihon e kimashita. So 5年前に日本へ来ました。Again, I sent the luggage 3 days back. Then it will be 3 days will be 3日。3日前に luggage is called 荷物を送りました。送ります means to send. So this is how you use 前に before this much time, then time 前に before this noun, then noun の前に when it is verb before sleeping, before eating, before reading. So we will use dictionary form of the verb plus 前に. So it will be before that verb. So this is how we are going to use 前に with dictionary form of the verb. Next uses of the dictionary form of the verb we will do in the next class. Today we'll call it a class here. Thank you.